What's up guys? Today we're doing a bit of a different type of video. I wanted to talk about the items that make fashionable guys' lives so much easier and things that aren't directly clothing, but that you need in your life if you're a clothing slash fashion type guy. Also let me know below, what is your number one non-clothing item that is for your clothing or for your fashion? Drop it below, I'd love to hear it. Let's get into the video. Item number one is a good iron. I don't know about you guys, but I use my iron every single day, whether it's a dress shirt or a pair of pants that were folded. Having a good iron makes all the difference in the world. I have this steam iron here. I believe this is from Costco. It's a little bit pricier than most irons, but I'm telling you, how quickly this gets things done, and also the fact that it doesn't burn or stain your clothes when you're doing it. Really good product to invest in, especially if you're using it often. Item number two is a pilling remover. There's gonna be clothes over time that start to pill, you know, regular wear and tear. When they're rubbing up against different fabrics, things start to pill up and kind of makes your clothes look old. So having a pill remover, you can get these on Amazon. I'll link one below for you guys. It's such a game changer. You just quickly rub it over your clothes and it makes them look like new. It's kind of like a little razor for your clothing. And something that is really underlooked. A lot of people will get a sweater or a pair of sweats that are old and they start to look pilled, and they'll just throw them in the bottom of the closet. Get one of these, rub them off, and those old clothes are gonna be like new again. Item number three is a good detergent. Now obviously you want your clothing to be clean, but what you're not thinking about is the chemicals that are in your detergent. You're probably also using those on your bed sheets, all your clothing, which is inherently touching your face. So not only can you be more environmentally friendly, have less chemicals, get a cleaner type product, but it's also inadvertently gonna make your skin clearer if you have breakouts, because there's less chemicals touching your face and irritating. So make sure you pay attention to the detergents that you're buying. Try to get some that are more eco-friendly. There's even some liquidless ones now. I just got this one here that you can see. It's actually just paper. You rip this up, throw it in there, and it's smell-free, but it cleans really well. Really nice product, I highly recommend it. Next up is some good hangers for your clothing. This is super important. If you have a delicate t-shirt and you're using a metal hanger with sharp angles on it, it's gonna start to poke out of the shoulders and kind of deform the clothing and stretch it out. So you definitely wanna pay attention to what kind of hangers you're using on what type of shirts. You know, is it a delicate shirt? Should it be folded? Is it gonna stretch out? You can get hangers that are wider on the ends so that they're softer on the shoulders of your clothing. Up your hanger game. Don't get those thin little metal ones that are gonna ruin your clothing and make your shoulders pokey. And last but not least, very simple one, but this is a lint roller. Pretty obvious reasons why. You know, it's just gonna make your blacks a bit deeper. It's gonna take away any extra hairs that are on them that you might not notice. I would just recommend having one by your shoe rack, so every time you're about to get ready and go out, before you leave, give yourself a quick roll down and then you're gonna be set to go. You don't have to worry about there being any crazy hairs or a bunch of lint on your black pants or whatever the case may be. Something that's a bit underlooked, but I think people should start using a lot more, because black's a very popular color, but it's a bit of a pain to keep it looking fresh all the time. Guys, I hope you found some value in this video. If you've been enjoying the videos lately, please take a second to drop a like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference for the channel and I'll appreciate it greatly. Hope this helped you think of a couple things that might help you up your style game or just up your convenience level with your clothing. As always, I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.